Hello, hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having an absolutely fabulous day today. I know I am because you're here and we get to play in the nail room. So let's get started. Hello, how are we all doing today? We're going to go through our Orly Color Pass box for winter of 2022. But first up, we're going to do what's on my nails. I have you Go Goul from the Color Club, and also Totally Witchin is the purple. These are both glow in the dark. They're very pretty. So let's start with the Orly box, and it is the Momentary Wonders collection. And we have a hair clip. Okay. We have a sage green hair clip, which I would think would be a fall thing for one. And for two, I don't want hair crap in my nail box. I want nail art, please. Nail brushes, nail polish, base coats, top coats, anything. I don't want hair accessories. I want nail stuff. Please, if you're with me, let me hear you. Leave me a comment down below. Okay, and we got Spices Right, which was part of their last collection. That if you have the box. Okay. They're very pretty, but there's a glaring problem with my polish. Sorry, that was probably really loud. Of course, the pink polish is totally crud. Actually, it's not. I was really hoping at this point that it was just the lid was loose, but it wasn't. There was a chunk missing out of the top of the bottle. But the polish was good, so I was able to swatch it for you. And good news, I mean, I emailed Orly Color Pass and sent them pictures. They wanted a picture of the bottom just like that, where the code is. This is AWESTRUCK. This was the one that was spilled. And they sent it right away. I mean, it was the next day that I sent them the email at night. It was the next morning when they got a hold of me, said it's shipped, everything's taken care of. I was really happy with the service and the quickness. It just was really nice. All right, Awestruck. I know, I missed the edge. I'm sorry. And then I got all out of shot. Jeez. But this is a very beautiful shimmer, berry colored, nothing outrageously new, but it is very, very pretty. And if you don't have anything like it in your collection, go for it. This took 3 coats to be completely opaque when I put it on black, it was opaque in 1 coat. And then next up, we have Whispered Lure, which is kind of a greeny gold, like an antiqued gold almost, which I thought was nice. You can see these types of colors, the shimmer colors like this, generally take 3 coats to get completely opaque. It's just the way that it is for these types of colors. This one only took 2 coats on a clear swatch stick, as you can see. And this is how it looks over black with 1 coat. You can definitely get away with 1 coat if you've got a black nail on already. But I went ahead and put 2 coats on just to show you that it really does bring that color fully awake and fully alive. And here is the lovely purple Flight of Fantasy. I thought this one was a pretty gorgeous color. It is a pinky purple, kind of grape looking. Went with 2 heavier coats on this one. It's not going to be doing any running or pooling. Orly always has, I shouldn't say always. They almost always have a really nice formula. They've got it figured out. Let's just put it that way. They've got it figured out. Here is Flight of Fancy over black. It is a absolutely gorgeous one coater. And just remember, these are going to leave brush strokes, but if you sponge on a thin coat, if you sponge it on top, you're not going to have any of those lines. If you really don't want the lines, just throw a sponge coat on there and you will be golden. All right, next up is Dancing Embers. It is a very pretty color. I like it. I like it because it's unique. At least I think it's unique. This is a pinky, corally, orangey with like a white undertone. Like a white shimmery undertone. I just like it. I don't know. It glows. You see how pretty, and that third coat just kind of tops it off, brings it up to completely bright and popping. Do you see what I mean? Yeah, and I was putting this over black, and now I'm looking at it going, I wonder how that would have looked over white. I really do, because the shimmer in there is almost, it's more like a white shimmer than the rest. The rest seem to follow the color pattern, whereas Dancing Embers goes with like more of a white shimmer, a pearly type finish. Anyway, I'm way behind. Let's talk about Ephemeral. At least I'm pretty sure that says Ephemeral. Correct me if I'm wrong, because, I don't know if I read so good sometimes. This is just a cute, you're never going to get this completely opaque. It is what it is. So I did 2 coats there for you, and it is more of like a glitter accent. It's not really, I don't even know if I'd call it a topper. But it is a very pretty color, and if you put it over a dark color, it's going to look goldy yellow like that. And if you put it over a light color, it'll probably look bluish, I think. Touch of Magic. You can see I got a little bit. There we go. We got that extra glitter out of there. Nobody wants that. Touch of Magic is kind of an orangey with a gold. I think it looked really good over that Dancing Embers. Kind of wondering how it would look now that I'm looking at it. Like this. I don't think this one you're ever going to get fully opaque either. It has the micro glitter in there rather than the shimmer, just like Ephemeral. And this one has, I think, a dual color shift to it. It looks pink, purple. Maybe you can catch a little bit of gold on the side, but I don't want to say the gold too much because I think that's more of a reflection of the Ephemeral than anything else. So let me know what you thought of this collection. I thought it was a pretty nice collection. They are definitely a collection with the shimmers and the glitters. Let me know what your favorite one was down below. And subscribe if you're not already and you would like to be. And I will see you in the next video, which probably won't be until January because I am taking the holidays off. I got some stuff to do, want to hang out with some family, and just kick back and relax and enjoy the holidays. So I hope that you all have a wonderful, happy holiday season. And I hope to see you again back here in January. And Happy New Year. Bye.